yourself to the vlog.
I'm Grace.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Kiva. I'm Sophie.
Wow, you guys are all so amazing. How's your day going?
We had such a good jazz class.
Really? With who? Belinda?
Belinda.
I had Belinda too. You're starting your assessments next week.
Yeah.
I've already had my assessments. They were so fun. I went to see Little Mix last night.
Little Mix.
This is a shout out to my ex. This is a shout out to my ex. Boom. Chocolate milk. So we're about to go to Bodycon now. And we had jazz, which was jazz-tastic. We had bass, which was Afro beats, and it was so cool. And we did a dance battle, and I won. Tammy T and Holly G. And Holly G was amazing, but I won. Sorry, Holly. Dance battle, no way. Me and my group all won 3 points. I did an aerial, and I did this move. Can you film me? What I did was, I did a massive kick, and then I did aerial. And I won. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Chanel.
You're amazing.
I'm rebranding myself, guys. I'm sticking to Chanel now.
Yeah, you're dazzle-tastic. You're not fantastic. You're dazzle-tastic. Hi, Jack. Oh my gosh. Wow. Do the thing where you go boom. Okay. 5, 6, 1.
Sorry, I wanted to go on 7.
Say hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hello. What class have you got now?
Contemporary.
Hello,
Hi.
everyone.
Hi. Bye. Guys, do you know what I just realised? It's Friday the 13th. Oh, so spooky. Hi everyone, so we're stretching right now.
Hi, vlog. Go on then.
Go on then. Whoa.
Bye, vlog.
Oversplit challenge.
Who's gonna win?
Second level. Getting a bit hard now. Third block going on. Still down. 3. Let's go for 4. This is it. 5.
Yay!
Lucy's turn to do 5 blocks for 500 subscribers. Come on, you can do it! Whoa! We completed the challenge. 5 blocks for 500 subscribers. Nah. But did this in jazz earlier. Now do some Afro beats. It's not Afro. Just finished Bodycon. It was really awesome. And now we're just sat here in the sun waiting for our next lesson, which is self-tape project. But I think I'm actually done with my self-tape now. So I think we're just gonna be doing some like ensemble singing. So yeah, but I'll see you later because I think I'm gonna go see the third year show again because it's absolutely outstanding. So I'll see you then. Bye. Oh my gosh, we're playing catch.
Hello. This is the Tally Show.
Boy, you're so good.
Your second time watching Bear.
Second time watching Bear. Are you excited? So excited. Say hi. Let's go in. Hey. Hello, everyone.
Hey, Tammy. Hey, Tammy.
Hey. Been to watch Bear again.
Of course. Part 2, the remix.
Oh my god. This is a remix. So excited.
I'm excited too.
Me too.
So good, you guys.
I don't know what it's about either. So.
No, that was like the same with me. And then I watched it and I was blown away.
So excited. Gay rights.
Woo! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Flowers. We are ready. Oh gosh, we're here. Look how close we are to the stage. See you after. Oh my gosh, hello. That was so good. We're now in the interval. How did you? What did you think?
OMG. What?
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! Don't it feel good?
Yeah.
All right now. Don't it feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jump in whenever, freestyle.
But oh my gosh. Wow. My gosh. So it's the show just finished and it's Nightmare at Bird College and it's Friday the 13th. They've locked us in and we're stuck. You can't even see me. But oh my gosh, guys. See the light. Shine, shine, shine the light. Right, now we're going to the stage door. What did you think?
I thought it was great. Absolutely fantastic.
Wow.
Best show I've seen today, yeah.
Such a great way to end the musicals, and it's also, I feel so lucky to watch all these amazing shows with these amazing people. Oh my god. Hello! Hi guys! You were so magical!
Thank you.
Well done!
Thank you so much.
Hello! Hi! You were so amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Well done. Hello.
Hello.
You were so very good.
So bad. We were bad good.
Yeah!